Hi, welcome back. So, today I'm just trying to walk you through how you can create slides using Napkin AI. I have done videos on this before. So, right now it is asking, I just gave it a description to what I want to do. I gave a slide deck I wanted to build. Go to app.napkin.ai and you can choose slides, and then it's gonna give you the option to key in your input. I just gave the slides description from ChatGPT, and I'm trying to build something for harness and loops in AI agents. I want to build that. So once it has analyzed, it generated what all slides it will going to build, and I asked it to build it. Now it's asking me to choose from the spectrums of what it is providing for design. I'm saying a blueprint sketch. Let's see what it generates. It took around 20 seconds, and then now it is generating the slides. Looks very promising, to be honest, if you see. So it's asking me over for the preview. You want something like this or anything, like over for preview. Nice. Wow. This is a totally different experience for. Looks good, to be honest. You can make a choice here. Loop engineering LLM ops. Perfect. I think I'll go with this. Looks good. And I'll say you could choose whatever you want right here. Any of these options, it is going to give you those options, and then you can choose them, or you can also ask it to choose for you. So I'm gonna do something like LLM is a wild horse. Let me do this, and I'll say pick. Yeah, so every slide it is giving you what kind of options you want. And say, let's say I don't want to go over everything. I'd say pick the rest for me. Let us see what it does. So it's auto generating now. This should be done in few minutes. This is easy peasy way of generating next level presentations. Just give the prompt, and napkin.ai is going to do the magic for you. Beautiful presentations can be built through this. I know there are other tools as well. Just wanted to give a shout out for Napkin for doing this thing. If you like this, share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel, Tech World with Abdul, so you can get to know about these kind of platforms firsthand. Thank you. See you in the next one.